right, guys, YouTube link networks. This is a new strategy. It's a very fresh strategy, and it's already starting to evolve, and we will just keep making this one stronger as we go along. So the tool that we've got in here is basically creating sections within all our support channels that we have, and it means that every video that we ever upload to our main channel will have a link appear on every single support channel that we've got, and it will happen automatically, okay? And therefore is creating a really powerful network that is 100% legitimate. It's 100% allowed. It's not a loophole. It is allowed by YouTube, and I'm going to demonstrate that for you in just a second. So before we get into this software tool here, what we'll do is we'll just jump over to a Google slide I've created, and we'll be able to walk through what is actually happening here, okay? So basically, every video that you ever upload to YouTube will have a link appear on the home pages of all your support channels, okay? Really powerful. So if you've got 600 of them, that's 600 internal YouTube links happening automatically, and you're doing nothing different from what you were doing yesterday and today, uploading videos to YouTube, okay? This just happens automatically in the background. Now we can make it much more powerful, and you will see in the course that comes with the IFTTT backlink commando that you can go ahead and do that very quickly, very easily, and how to optimize these as well. And you've got a ton more information, and you will see the strategy, how it's evolving as well at the same time. Okay, so every video that you ever upload to YouTube must be assigned to one of 4 playlists. Okay, so we're going to create 4 playlists that you're going to use from this point forward that will basically cover every scenario of every video that you ever upload. Now, to give you an example of that, so that you're not confused, basically what I've done is I've created 4 playlists specifically for this strategy, and I will use these playlists for videos that I upload. I will only use one of these playlists for each video that I upload, okay? So I've got to choose one of these 4 every time I upload a video, okay? And that means that I'll be able to get links appear on all of my support channels when that happens, okay? So my example here is SEO in 2015, YouTube SEO, WordPress SEO, and SEO services. I know that any video I ever upload to my channel in the next 12 months will fit into one of these 4 playlists, and I only want to choose one of these every time I upload a video. Okay, so let's go and see what that will look like, okay? I've got one over here. It's not set up with those exact playlists. I've got this is me just messing about when I was creating this strategy. You can see here I've got 4 playlists, and it fits in nicely with 4, and that's why we're choosing just 4. Okay, so anytime I upload a video, for example, I uploaded this one, weekly free SEO giveaways, I have attached that to just one playlist. Okay, so this link will appear just one time. I don't want to take up real estate here with the same link on all 4. Okay, I only want to take up real estate on these channel home pages, and this is a support channel that for one link, okay, for every video, and that way I've always got a maximum of 8 links here, and they're all for different videos. Okay, so the on-page SEO, you can see I've got techniques for optimizing whatever, and I've got SEO guide for WordPress part 2 or something like that there, and these 2 here I'm going to replace with SEO in 2015, on-page SEO, WordPress SEO, YouTube SEO, and SEO services. So these 2 will be replaced here. Okay, so what happens then is basically we are allowed to do this. This is YouTube allowing us to do this, and if I come over here and click on the little arrow there, let me just show you that again just so you're not confused. When we're creating a section inside our channel home pages for the support channels, we have the ability to choose the content and choose the layout. Okay, so the content here is basically choosing saved playlists. Okay, so that means we can take playlists from any other channel that we want. Okay, and it will auto update over here every time you add a video to one of these 4 playlists. Okay, so we're choosing save playlist, we're choosing vertical list, because that gives us 2 links at the top here. Okay, plus we've got a link to the playlist, we've got a link to the videos within the playlist, the last 2, and we've got a embedded link to the playlist here as well. Okay, that's how it works. It's very simple stuff. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like, and that's why we're choosing one of 4 playlists. So we only take up the real estate for one of these 8 links every time we upload a video. Okay, that gives a little bit more power for a little bit longer, and it kind of works like a PBN in a way. Okay, so that's how it works. That's what it's going to look like. So let's come back over to the Google slide here, and you can see here that we're creating 4 playlists, and any video I upload to YouTube will get into one of those, and that way we sort of maximize the real estate that we've got within the support channels. Now we're creating the sections in the channel home pages for every support channel, and if you don't know how to do that, don't worry, because that's what the software does for you. Okay, you just basically choose the playlist that you want to use. I'll show you how to use the software in just a second. Okay, so each section will have saved public playlist showing, and we can set to horizontal in the sections, and the 4 playlists will fit in neatly like I just showed you, and the last 2 videos in each playlist will have the links appear just like I showed you over here. Now how it works manually is basically we have to go over here where it's got this little box, or sometimes it's got your picture. Okay, then we click on the YouTube settings, and then we go into privacy, and we make sure that these 2 are unticked. Make sure they are not ticked. Okay, this one, the top one says keep all my liked videos and saved playlists private. We do not want them to be kept private. By default it is ticked. We have to untick it, and then we can save, and we can go back over to our homepage of our channel. Okay, so that's basically how it works. It's really simple stuff. There's nothing difficult here, but what we want to do is be able to speed it up and be able to move through these as quickly as possible. So that's why we created the software, to be able to do that. Okay, so you can see here I've got my username and I've got my password for my Google account. Now you might be aware, you might not be aware, most people who are doing SEO for a while will know that you can create up to 50 YouTube channels for one Google account. That gives me the possibility of 50 support channels for every single Google account. Okay, that's very simple to do as well. It takes just a couple of minutes to go and create a new channel. I will show you how to do that as well in just a few minutes in a different course that comes with IFTTT backlink commando. And basically you can just click on load channels. Now sometimes I have to click this 2 times, and I've even had to click it 3 times sometimes for it to work, but we work on trying to fix if there's a bug there. But if it doesn't load the first time, just click on it again. What will happen is you will get a little pop-up browser, and then it's going to ask you to choose one of your channels from there. Choose any one and click OK, and eventually you will get to this point here. Whether you click it once or click it twice, you might have to click it twice, okay, but it will work. Now what happens is I've got a whole bunch of support channels in here, or what we call multi-channels, for that one Google account. You can see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It means I can create 13 sort of link network properties, almost like PBNs, almost like private blog networks, but with YouTube channels. Okay, so that whenever I upload a video to my main channel, when that video is uploaded, I choose one playlist and that link will appear on all 13 of these. Now if I max this out and I do 50 channels, and I've got 5 Google accounts and I do 50 channels on each, then I've got 250 links, internal YouTube links, immediately when I upload a video to YouTube. Okay, pretty powerful stuff. Okay, and it's going to build authority for that channel as well. So what I need to do here is basically put in my main channel name. Okay, click on load the playlist, and it's going to load all these playlists here, and I simply have to click on that, load the playlist, and it's going to give me some options that I might want to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose 4 of these, and it's going to be 4 that I've just created. Okay, so let me just go and find them. We've got a whole bunch of playlists in here because I've basically been using another tool that we've got that creates playlists for a different strategy. So we created quite a few of these, and you're not limited to use just 4 playlists for all your stuff that you're doing. Just for this one strategy, you want to put these videos into 1 of 4. Okay, so I'm just looking for my SEO 2015. Let me just go and find these 4. And I think we need to reduce the amount of characters that actually show in the description here, because it's taking up too much real estate here. So I should have WordPress SEO, and I should have SEO in 2015. and I'm going to have to look for them. Just bear with me. Okay, so I found all 4, and all I need to do now that I've checkboxed all 4 is choose a channel up here that I want to work with first. So I'm going to put in this first one, so I can just work in a sort of chronological order here, and I'm going to choose yeah, so just making sure the video is back on again. I'm going to choose one of these and then create the playlist, and then just simply move down to the next one and click on the button here as well. Okay, so all I need to do right now is click on Start Network Builder, and it will go and create the sections. It will go and change the privacy settings, and it will just quickly move in and out and do the stuff that we need it to be able to do. Okay, so you can see there's a little progress bar down here. So it's creating a section, and it's going to be able to put those 4 playlists in that section, and that means that we can move quickly and easily throughout all of these multi-channels accounts that we got on here, these 13 channels I've got within this multi-channel account, and it's going to be able to move in and out very, very quickly and do all the work for me, and I can simply work on other stuff and come back and do another one as and when it finishes. Okay, so I'm going to just wait for a second and see what's happening here. It's creating the section, and it should be pretty quick. Okay, so that took about a minute and a half or something, and you can see here that task is completed. Now what I want to do, choose the next one down, and I'm going to start Network Builder on that one as well, and you can simply just move in and out of all of these channels you got connected with each Google account. That one is done already. Let's go down to the next one, Start Network Builder. And it will just go ahead and keep doing that for us, and you can see how quickly we can move in and out, and that means that basically every video we upload is basically going to get links from all of these, and we can just simply just move around and do it as quickly as that. Okay, very, very easy stuff, very, very powerful strategy. And watch it evolve as well. None of our strategies ever stand still. They're always going to get stronger. They're always going to get better. And if you've got some suggestions as well, you know, we're always open to making these strategies as good and as powerful as they possibly can be, because we're not building these tools just for launch. We're actually using the tools, and we're doing SEO every day as well, the same as you. So if you've got some great suggestions, I want to hear them, and if it's something good that we can add in here, then we will do that, and we will get the maximum benefit from the strategies and from the tools, and we can just keep moving forward quicker, stronger, better, and then most of our competitors will be doing. Okay, so that's just done about 3 or 4 now, and let's just go into the next one. I'm going to create one more, and basically I'm coming over to my YouTube channel over here, and basically what I'm going to do is go and find these channels so that we can confirm that we have created the 4 playlists. Just one. Okay, so as you can see here, it's created those 4 playlists for us. We've got SEO services, we've got WordPress SEO, we've got SEO 2015, and YouTube SEO. So any new video I upload to my main channel basically is going to go into one of these, and you know, it's going to appear in all of those support channels. Very, very easy stuff, very, very powerful stuff, and it's automated so that you can do it very, very quickly and move in and out of your support channels very quickly with the software. And you can create this, you know, basically in half a day. You could have several hundred of these if you're able to use a virtual assistant who has got enough telephone numbers to go and create the Google accounts, etc. So that's how it works. Really powerful stuff, guys. Fresh, new, very, very happy with this strategy, and watch it evolve. Thanks. Bye-bye.